Hello, welcome back to my studio. If you enjoy painting regularly, I'm sure you're always looking for ways to improve your painting and grow as an artist. And one of the important ways to improve your painting is, of course, to practice. But practice can perhaps seem intimidating, and you want to find a way to make it more fun, more stress-free. Now, this is one way I like to practice, and I'm going to show you how you can set this up so you always have something to start painting on and just have a bit of stress-free painting practice. Let's have a look. Okay, now finding time to practice is hard enough, but what if you're a bit intimidated by practicing and having to set up your painting equipment and all of those things can seem like quite a hassle. So one of the things I did to sort out this problem was to create a very big panel. I got myself a piece of MDF, or you can use hardboard or something like that, and then just primed it up with gesso and created little panels on it just with a pencil, drawing in some borders. I'll show you how it looks. Now, with a big panel like that with all these little frames drawn out in pencil, I can just put the panel up and quickly do a color study in whatever shape I'm in the mood for. Square, whatever, portrait, and landscape being the obvious choices, and just select a reference perhaps at random. You probably got a whole pile of them or a lot of photos on your camera. Put one on your computer perhaps and just use that as inspiration. But paint quickly, use big shapes, just make it an intuitive process. Set the timer for 15 minutes and do a little thumbnail color study like that. And I can assure you it's a lot of fun and you never miss because there is no stress and all you're doing is creating shapes with your brush. And I guarantee you, you will learn so much about color studies and planning for a larger painting this way. All right, so have a look at the quick demo and then I encourage you to try something like this out for yourself. Here I've drawn out my painting format and using this photo as inspiration, I'm going to get in a quick little color study. Respond to the subject, work quickly, boldly and intuitively. Don't waste too much time. Just get stuck in with a large brush. This is a very small area I'm painting on, about a 6x6 inch, and just dive in with your brush. Emphasize something. I'm going to emphasize the color of the mountain and let that inspire the rest of the painting as well. Looking for some complementary colors and simplifying shapes like these trees. Extremely complicated in that photo as you can see, but if you simplify them you can get something exciting, still very descriptive, but using much fewer shapes, lots of juicy paint in the light areas, and look at the colors that are going on down at the moment. These blues with the orange makes an exciting color combination. Does your color choice excite you? Look at these violets going down. You must be moved, excited by something. Really experiment, enjoy what you're putting down. If your painting is leaving you uninspired, do something to challenge yourself. Do something drastic. Use a color you wouldn't normally use. Use big brushes, much thicker paint than you'd normally use. Who's going to complain if you use a lot more paint than normal? There is no painting police, remember that. You are the master of what goes down on your painting panel. I just love these thick, juicy orange color notes, and they just sing against the blues and the light violet colors as well. Add a little bit of impasto, throw in some suggestion of the trees, just a few strokes of color, and that's enough. the utility poles, adding some strong vertical elements against all the horizontals. And I've got a little painting here that is full of vibrant color to guide me and inspire me for a larger painting. Just a little figure there, it's not necessary, but testing it out. And this is how you get color studies that you can have fun with, that guide you, that teach you how to paint with a lot more confidence. Do lots of them. Now I hope that gave you an idea to try out. And the beautiful thing is you end up with this large panel with all these studies on, and you can always look at it for inspiration or a reminder of something that you learned. And you also end up with a completed panel one day. Maybe you can frame the whole thing and create something unique in that way. Well, try it out and let me know in the comments as well whether you found this idea useful or it's something you are doing already. What's your experience of this technique? Don't forget also to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video, and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'm always open to suggestions, and I'd like to get some ideas as well of what you would like to see next. Okay, until next time, enjoy practicing your painting, and cheers for now.